Kasalukuyang nagluluksa ngayon ang pamilya Gutierrez dahil namatay na si Alexa Gutierrez sa edad 38 years old. Siya ay asawa ni Elvis Gutierrez na anak ni Annabel Rama at Eddie Gutierrez. Si Elvis at si Alexa ay may dalawang babaeng anak. It was last year when Alexa found out she had leukemia after she fell ill during a family trip to Japan. Sinabi ni Alexa noon na nahihilo siya at pagod agad siya sa kaunting lakad. In-announce ng mga family members ang pagkamatay ni Alexa sa Facebook. Sabi nila, Alexa battled leukemia with unwavering courage. Her journey was marked by strength, love, and resilience. Alexa leaves behind a loving family, a devoted husband, and two beautiful daughters, Arya and Ezra, her dad and her brothers, and her in-laws. Their unwavering support and love sustained her throughout the battle. Please keep her in your prayers. Kami po ay nakikiramay sa pamilyang naiwan ni Alexa.